Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For everyone that is new, my name is C. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today we want to get into this new wig. Now this wig comes from Sensationnel Butta wig, and I got the style Beach Wave 20 Balayage. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but Balayage caramel. And this is what the wig looks like. So I ordered this wig from Beauty of New York. I've been looking for this style all over, and the color that I wanted was sold out, so I ended up picking it up from their website, which will be in the description box below. And in the inside, it comes with the little stock card. Gives all the details on the wig, the different other colors that the wig comes in. Okay guys, this is what the wig looks like out of the box. So pretty. I love the cute little blonde highlights. This is gorgeous, y'all. Got the baby hairs. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with the elastic straps. Oh my god, this is freaking gorgeous. This is gorgeous. I will say this wig is big head friendly. Definitely big head friendly. And just look how flat it comes right out the box. Like, I don't really have to do no touch-ups. I don't even need my flat iron. I probably will use my flat iron though, because I don't think I want to do baby hairs. Or should I do baby hairs? I don't know. Y'all think I should do baby hairs? Y'all, this unit is just, it's so beautiful. I think I'm gonna go ahead and lay this thing down. I'm still unsure if I'm gonna do baby hairs or not. Just look at that part. What lace? What lace? What lace? I'm gonna lay my wig down with this most famous Gatsby. Normally I would use my normally I use my boho liquid gold, but I don't think I'm planning on keeping this wig on that long. But yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. So the features on this hair, it says it's human hair and premium fiber blend, full body movement, virtually undetected HD lace, blends with most skin tones, ear to ear lace with a wide 5-inch deep hand tie parting area, pre-plucked with baby hairs along the hairline, natural and full maximum density.
I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an every since I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Because you're away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on an every day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis.
Hey y'all, so this wig is a 10 out of 10 from me. Not only is it big head friendly, it's definitely beginner friendly. This wig is just like, you can just put it on straight out of the box. You don't really need any customization. The only reason why I used my high comb was to push up the baby hairs. I decided not to do those. This wig looks perfectly fine without baby hairs. I love this. It's super soft. I didn't get too much shedding, but you know, normally you'll get a little shedding when it comes to curly wigs, but honestly, I didn't get only a little bit of shedding. It's definitely easy to, again, y'all, what lace? What lace? What lace? Like, this is the perfect, for me anyway, this is the perfect length. This is the perfect hair body shape, which is like a beachy wave, body wave type of hair. I love this wig, and I definitely recommend it. Definitely look out for details in the description box below on where you can get this hair, and all the other information that I did include in this video will also still be in the description box below. If you guys like this wig, if you guys want to see more hair videos and hair tutorials from me, definitely let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a video. If you like this video, definitely hit that like button. Smash that like button. Thank you guys for tuning into my video. If you are a returning subscriber and you just wanted to show some love and watch, thank you. I appreciate you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.